We ask some questions like how many people use YouTube? Our answer is 2.5 billion. And how many of them use YouTube for their education? In America, almost half of the students use YouTube for their education. In Europe, the percentage is almost 74%. And if you see in Bangladesh, a study of in Dhaka University student that found almost 79, almost 80% use YouTube as their education platform. But can you see, is there any certificate if you are watching videos from YouTube? Definitely there is not. But you are giving a lot of time in there. So officially you need a recognition, but you are not getting it. So we solved this problem, and we found this also problem because if you see in Coursera and other things, they will also give you certificate by watching the videos. Yes, they have exam system, but obviously if you are watching the video very carefully and if you are watching with your full concentration, you should get a recognition that you have watched that. So we saw this problem and we solved this problem. So we build a video certificate generator that gives you certificate over 70% completion of your video within just 2 or 4 seconds that we can make in 80 or 90%. In this beautiful bar, we are watching that watched, skipped, and paused. We are also watching progress. Then we use certificate generator that's actually working after 70% completion. And we have also a recommendation bar, like it's recommending many other YouTube videos. Wait until 70%. See the progress bar and the results. I have been skipped or paused, so it will give me certificate obviously about 70% completion. After 70% completion, I see a button that is certificate generate. Then I see there is an option to give my name. I'm giving my name, Rafid Then I just click generate certificate. Oh my god, it's generated my certificate. And it has also the things like how much time I have watched. And I can also download the PNG format of it. Then I have downloaded the PNG format. And you see that in my certificate that is generated. Then if I give, like if you want to share in LinkedIn, Facebook or Twitter, I will also have the option. In the pop-up menu, I have just said what I have to do. Actually for image generation, we have to do it, and we can also see, like if I am clicking LinkedIn, then it's opening my LinkedIn. If I am clicking my Facebook and it's opening my Facebook, you can just follow the instruction and you can share in your LinkedIn.
वो टाइम बहुत सारी
Now
नई
I
चीजें आ
opened a
गई हैं,
new
बहुत सारी
video
ऐसी
and
जावास्क्रिप्ट में चीजें आ गई
inside
हैं जिससे कि
I'm
काम
watching
बहुत
the
आसान हो
video.
जाता है।
It's
बहुत सारी
showing the
ऐसी
progress.
टेक्नोलॉजीज आ गई हैं जो कि
I
आप
have
लोगों के
paused
काम को
one
बहुत
times.
आसान बना
Now
देंगी। ये कोर्स
I'm
थोड़ी
just
देर में आगे
running.
बताऊंगा, लेकिन आप
And
लोग
then
भरोसा
you
रखो कि
see
आपको एक फुल स्टैक डेवलपर बनाऊंगा।
I'm
जाता हूँ
pausing two
एग्जैक्टली,
times.
आप लोग फॉलो अलॉन्ग करें,
I'm
जैसे मैं वीडियो
pausing
डालूँ आपको
three
नोटिफिकेशन
times.
मिले तो ये
I'm
कृपया करके
pausing
सेव कर लो।
5
कंट्रोल एस
times.
मारोगे तो
The
सेव हो जाएगी।
video in the
मैं
shade, the red
हेल्प
line you
करेगा
see
सर्वर से
that
इस
I'm
वेब
just
पेज को लाने में।
skipping.
मैं लिखूंगा हे दिस इज
And most of the
HTML,
time is skip, skip,
सिर्फ उतना
skip,
सिखाऊंगा
pause
दैट
5
मैटर्स।
times, 6
के लिए बताना
times,
चाहूंगा दिस कोर्स
7
वाज इनिशियली
times,
मेड टू बी पेड, बट
and my
मैंने अपना
video
बताना
is
चाहूंगा दिस
almost
कोर्स वाज
complete
इनिशियली
because
मेड टू बी पेड, बट मैंने अपना
I
बताना
have
चाहूंगा दिस कोर्स
skipped
वाज इनिशियली
7
मेड टू
times
बी
and the
पेड, बट
result
मैंने
is
अपना बताना चाहूंगा
now
दिस
it is
कोर्स वाज इनिशियली मेड टू बी पेड, बट मैंने अपना
24.5
बताना चाहूंगा
second,
दिस कोर्स
but
वाज
I have
इनिशियली
watched
मेड टू बी
only
पेड, बट मैंने अपना मूड चेंज
1.76%.
करना चाहूंगा
So
दिस कोर्स वाज
though my
इनिशियली
video
मेड
is
टू बी
completed,
पेड, बट
just
मैंने
you
अपना बताना चाहूंगा
see
दिस
that,
कोर्स
but
वाज
I
इनिशियली
haven't
मेड टू
completed
बी
the video
पेड,
and
बट
watched
मैंने
the
अपना
full
बताना चाहूंगा
video,
दिस कोर्स
so
वाज
I'm not
इनिशियली
getting the
मेड टू बी
certificate.
पेड, बट मैंने अपना बताना चाहूंगा दिस कोर्स
In
वाज
the
इनिशियली
video, we
मेड टू
have
बी
also a
पेड, बट मैंने
option
अपना
like
बताऊंगा
we
दैट
can
मैटर्स।
see that
के लिए
the
बताना चाहूंगा दिस
recommendation.
कोर्स वाज
All of
इनिशियली
the
मेड
video
टू बी
recommendation
पेड,
are
बट
coming
मैंने
from
अपना
YouTube. We can just click another any recommendation and you will see that video. You have see I have watched a build an AI robot and you are watching this. Then if I also click their recommendation and just click on that, I will also see the recommendation. And in near future we can integrate here with we can indicate here our courses and watch them and marketing them also, so we can generate revenue from it. And we can also have like we can give a verified certificate, and anyone can give exam and get a verified certificate. We can also launch a website on that, so there can be very business model that we can run from this. So we opened YouTube, and in YouTube there is an option like TubeBuddy. If we enable the extension and then click, then we can see the analytics. It's giving the all of the summary, like how many views, how many comments, the ACOs and the keywords, and all of the things. It's very, then other things like share tracker, search ranking, etc. So we see how TubeBuddy is earning money. There is generally three plans. For their low plan, they are charging almost 2.25 to $6, and star plan they are 19 to $20 per month. Actually, they are extracting the keywords from there, and they are just analyzing the keywords and just suggesting their keywords. And we see their revenue is $1.6 million per year. Their competitor VidQ also doing the same thing, and they are also the same plan they are doing, like advanced analytics and trend analytics. All of the thing is keyword searching, and then we can see a competitive charge of all of the things, how much other things of tools or extension they charge and what they do. So then we can came to the valuation. TubeBuddy's valuation $140.5 million. VidQ is $160 million. Social Blade is $50 million, and Tubetics is $5 to $20 million, and other things you can see with keyword and how many of them their comments and their likes and their shares. They are all generating a site that how much it's important, like it's ranking. Then obviously it on keyword basis they are giving the score and they are earning money.
In part
So
1,
we
I
build a
built a
tool
companion
that's
robot with
like
blinking
them,
eyes and
and
emotions.
we will give the better
It
service
worked
of
way
them.
better
Now you
than I was
see it's showing a
expecting,
channel
but
name,
then
the
I
video, the
realized
subscriber
something.
number, and the
It only
comments.
reacted
You
to
can check
text,
out there
no
is 21
wording, no
comment,
battery,
and you will be
just
able to
wires
see the
sitting under
results.
redwood.
If I go to the
So
results,
today I'm
then
going to
I'm
fix that.
watching that the results in my channel, like channel name, the keywords with the detect. Not only the YouTube, they will also watch the Facebook thing. Then you can see that the in Facebook it's enabled 3 posts in my Facebook. And then if we go to like scroll, then then I go to the Hulk prize as University of Rajshahi, and if I just click that, then I can see there is 10 posts. Then if I just click, then obviously it's showing the results. Like in anonymous, you are watching that Hulk price at University of Rajshahi, there is 7.1k follower, there is 59 following, and you can see that the competitor, that challenge keyword, all will be shown here. And that's the tool. We can also export CSV from here, and with this tool we can do a lot of things from there, and we can give the better service. So I have built this, and our revenue model can be different type of things. Optimizer is a company that has an extension that basically searches your tech stack and detection, like what CMS you have used, WordPress or others, or which tag manager are you using in analytics, what are you using, and in JavaScript, what type of things you are using. So basically, they just give you the results. So Optimizer's competitor are similar tech, what runs and built with. So if we go to their strategies and we can comparison, we can see all of the things. Then if we go to their valuation, we can see all of their valuation. Optimizer is 80 million, built with is 22.5 million, similar tech is 1 million, and what runs is 5 million. Mm, so we build tech detective that also detects what type of technology are you using in your website. Like if I'm clicking, I'm seeing that WordPress, then Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, jQuery, WooCommerce, then the other thing. Then if we combine all of the things, we can see what we have used in programming language, PHP, in WordPress themes, what have we used. And then we go to the statistics, we can also see the things. We can export the data and see in our things like what type of technology we have used, and now you can see the things. So we can also compete with them by this technology, and so I have built this. Future is AI, so we will enable the option like in which AI the website is using in future. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So you see YouTube premium is 4x. You can use 4x in premium, but in general you can't use 4x. So we have built a speed controller, and you will see different type of options like 0.5x, 7x, 1x, 2x, 4x, 3x. Then you can control 1.5x. You will see change in the video how fast it is loading. Then I'm giving 0.5x, then obviously it's slowing. Then I'm giving 1.7x, 1.25x, 3x, you see how fast loading. Then I'm giving 4x, then it's going too fast. You can recheck it by opening another video, and you can set it to 4x. Then you can say the changes. So it's a very easy and simple tool, but also effective, and many people, millions of people use it daily. Especially millions of students use this as it is very useful. I have also built an web summarizer. Actually, it can go to any type of page, then summarize that page. We have text extract. I mean, it will extract the text from that web page. Then we can click summarize, but it is scraping data, but we have to give an API for summarizing. If I just give my Google's API, then it is taking the API. Then if we just click summarize, it will give me the summarized data. We can copy and paste it anywhere. Then we have also other option, detailed and bullet options, like if we can click and we can take results from this type of things, and it will summarize the whole website. A lot of students practice lead code for competitive programming for their interview and job interview and other things. So we are basically targeting this lead code. Basically, we will have extension that will solve their lead code problem real life, and that will give them hint. So if I click there, gives a lead code whisper where I have to give my API key. I can select the model like it's OpenAI or Gemini model. Then I give the API key. Then it saves the API key. Then if I just click that, how can I solve the problem? It gives me the prompt. Oh, it knows the problem. If I just say that, then you say the question, and it's giving the hints like add to numbers. So it knows, it has all of the things that what kind of problem I'm solving. Then I give solution, it gives me step by step how can I solve. So it gives the direction that how can I solve the problem. Then if I go to another problem, if you see that reverse integer, another problem, if you see that reverse integer, then you have, it has the same prompt, and it's also giving me the hints. Now moving to Parakeet AI, it's a real-time AI interview assistant that you have watched the ads. Now we can convert our tool to that type of tools also. If we make our extension invisible, then it will also help that. And we can also do this type of things. Then it has web app, mobile app, and other versions. Then if we go to Parakeet AI, they have their budgets and their pricing $29.5, $50, or $60. Then we can also plan this type of things to make this type of charge.